With GRC Drum Kit Tuition, learn to play the music you like. Give Glenn a call on 02380 601 235 or visit grcpercussion.com.
Welcome to another video recap. In the past, we've been looking at drum rolls, we've been looking at our 5-stroke rolls. So today, in our recap, we're going to bring them together into a standard normal rhythm. Now, as you've noticed in our past recaps, we use this standard rhythm, and we don't have to be really busy in the normal rhythm. We can have all these little inputs, things which are small to make sound quite big, by just adding the occasional rudiment in there. So we've done our normal buzz roll or press roll or normal roll into a rhythm. So if I just play our normal press roll, buzz roll, drum roll. Now remember, when we do our drum roll, we're aiming for that nice even sound. Nice even sound. So when I'm doing this, I'm relaxing, leaving the gap between the thumb and forefinger, like I said before, and creating that buzz. So if I bring back up my snare drum, look at the buzz. So I'm getting a nice buzz. You can hear the snare at the bottom of the skin buzzing. And I'm making the gap smaller, but aiming for a nice even sound. Now, as I said before, it can be called a press roll, purely because I'm pushing the thumb into the forefinger to create that drum roll. So there's our standard drum roll. So, as said before, drum roll is something which you can do, but you need to practice it to get that even sound. Okay, now we also used our 5-stroke roll. So a 5-stroke roll is 5 strokes. So a standard 5-stroke roll, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or left, right, left. But we're going to use the doubles. We're going to do a doubles as a 5-stroke roll. So I'm going to go right, right, left, right. Or, okay, so if I bring that into rhythm, what's going to happen here, the two doubles, right, left, they're going to come on the last quaver of a bar. So we're playing 4 beats in a bar. There are 8 quavers in a bar, or you can also call them eighths. Okay, and we're going to play it on the very last quaver, the last 8 for the bar. So if I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we then play that a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so we bring this drum roll together with our 5-stroke roll within a normal basic quaver rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, drum roll, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-stroke roll on the last quaver, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So you notice I put the drum roll on the last quaver then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 5-stroke roll, 3, 4. You can see how we can bring that in. Now remember, we're in our normal drum roll. I'm bringing the beat back in on the first beat of the bar with the bass drum and the hi-hat. A nice, tight, controlled feel. Now I can also do that, as you heard, with the 5-stroke. Now, instead of using that hi-hat, I could use the roll, but finish it on the floor tom on the first beat of the bar. With the bass drum. So you can see on the bass drum, it's coming on that beat. Same with the 5-stroke. Okay, so bring that back in. Now, if we bring them into a rhythm, all right, you can see how they come together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our 5-stroke roll and our drum roll all coming together. All right, in mixed times. The secret to this is not try to use it too much. Just use it little elements, little kind of icing on the cake, just to kind of sparkle up your rhythms a little bit. Okay, but remember, the most important thing is to create that rhythm and feel, not be too busy, work as a team within the band, and control what you play and enjoy what you play. So to finish off with, let's listen to it with some music. Okay, and you'll see exactly what we're talking about, how we bring this together. So, thanks for listening. So, till next time for our video recaps, take it easy and enjoy.
With GRC Drum Kit Tuition, learn to play the music you like. Give Glenn a call on 02380 601 235 or visit grcpercussion.com.